Okay, sorry guys. Man. Sorry about that. My son crept up on me. $12.99 for this one. Jeez Louise. The older I get, they think I could withstand stuff like that. And I'm like, no. She's gonna give me a heart attack. These, I think, are all $12.99. Looks like. This is Spode. Christmas tree Spode. I see a lot of this at Home Goods and TJ Maxx. This one is, doesn't say. Look at all the Mickey's on the 2023 Mickey. They're cute. $12.99. Yeah, they're all Cinderellas. Cinderella. I got them all amped up now that my son did that to me. Okay. Minnie Mouse doing her thing. Look at the leopard Sandy. Nice. How much are you, leopard Sandy? Santa baby, $74. Look at the little one. This is an ornament. I could use this as a... Look at how beautiful. 50% off. These are 50% off. Oh, look at this one. $64 for this little one that hangs over the edge. That's cute. I like that one. But God, look, it's like the material for $64. Yeah. No, that is Chanel. Look what I found here, guys. La la la. $3.99. I wonder if they're. Oops. Let me see. These are just like. These are cute though. Oh my god, wait till you guys see what I got from the Dollar Tree. Oh gosh, Christmas. I can't believe how Halloween has just already like flown by. Oh, I don't even want to look at the price on these ones. Look at that. $140 for the bottom one. $134 for this one. That's for cockiness, my goodness. That's crazy pricey, Macy's. I love Macy's though. I miss having their credit card. Look at a croissant. How much for the croissant? $22 for the croissant. That's one of my goals for the new year, is to learn how to make bomb chocolate-filled croissants. Yes. Look at their greeting cards for Christmas are 50% off. Oh, look at the vintage Santa that says believe. Let's see. Oh, look at this one. Let's see Santa. This one is $21.50 plus 50% off. Not bad. Not bad. Peace on earth. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. I'm just being really silly today. Oh my god, I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, look at this. Speaking of angels, guys. And the nativities. These are beautiful. This one is $200, so it comes out to $100. This one is so beautiful. This is something my mother would love. Look at that. This one here is 80, so 40. Actually, oh no, I was giving you the wrong price for this one. This one's 160, so half of that. And, let me see. Get the elf. The elf. Hold on. Oh, Jim Shore. Look at all the Jim Shore stuff. I don't think these are on sale. Go get another one. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. I love Jim Shore stuff. Nothing has a price. Okay, this one, which is this one, $32. This Santa. God, I love his work. It's just, I can't afford it right now. This one's $57. I don't see any sale price thing tags. Look at these. Look how cute. Look at the Sandy. Oh, I like this one. And this one. I really like this one. This is like Latina style right here. Let me see what this one is. Look at this one. Oh, good. That's beautiful. $95. Oh, that would be good if they were on sale. If anything, they'll go on sale. I really want this one. Maybe closer to Christmas. Okay. Let me see. I'm just gonna go by over here real quick because that's time for me to leave my son. This is all the like the gift sets. Yeah, I don't think these are on sale either. Godiva, you have your Godiva. Chocolate. Truffles. Oh, moose munch. I love me some moose munch. And you know what? I always end up getting it from Macy's. That's a nice basket. I don't think this is on sale either right now. But this stuff right here, the moose munch. Let me see, which one is my one? I think it's this one. Yes. Moose munch premium popcorn, caramel coated popcorn and nuts with milk chocolate. Yes. That's my favorite. Look at the Gingy house. They have smaller ones too. These are 50% off. Sorry. They're putting some gems. $108. Oh my god. It lights up. So that comes out to like 54. Wow. They have a countdown to Christmas. $40 to $20. Okay, oh my gosh. $8. So this is $4. I think that's resin. And look at these. It's a snowman. This is how much? $22. $18. Hot cocoa. $20. Love it. Okay. I really like this one. Look at this, guys. 36, so $15.50. $15.50. at that. That's cute. There's a stocking holder, guys. $2023 snow globe, $58, 50% off. Oh, look at the big Nomi calendar. It's a cute. Look at that's my favorite number. Let me see how much this is. Oh, 106. 106. Look at, there's only a few of these. They're gonna go. You know, $15 is not bad for the stocking holder. The Papadoo candy cane, 72. Look at these. Oh no, that one's broken. Oh, look at this garland. This is 6-foot candy cane garland. That's cute. $38. Half off of 38. They're here in the bottom. In a basket here. Okay. Real quick. I really like that one. This says Joy. It's a mitten. $12, so $6. It says 2023. Okay, guys. Well, I tried to show you as much as I could, but I am gonna head out now. Happy Monday, y'all. Take care. Be safe. God bless. And I'm gonna enjoy my PSL on the way home. Thank you. Bye.